Hello, this is Tom with Little Guy Hosting. I am going to show you how to connect to your shell account using Putty. So open up the Microsoft Store, click on search, type in Putty, hit enter. See where it says Putty Unofficial? Click on Putty Unofficial. Get. Spin, spin, spin. Install. Okay, we can launch it. We will log into our cPanel account. Scroll down to where it says SSH Access, or do the easy way, type in SSH. Click on SSH Access. Manage SSH keys. Generate a new key. We're going to call this Little Guy Example. We're going to call it Eat a Password for Lunch. And for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to copy it, paste it. Can't believe it's fucking with me like this. I can't believe it's just fucking with me like this. Wow. It's just like, really? Okay. We're going to open up cPanel. In the search box, we're going to type in SSH. Click on SSH Access. Click on Manage SSH Keys. Click on Generate a New Key. And we're going to call this Little Guy Example. We're going to create a password. And we're going to call it Eat a Password for Lunch. Then what you do is you show this. Control A to select all. Control X to cut. Paste. Paste. And it should be, yes, see, eat a password for lunch. Okay, so how we do that is, because it doesn't accept copy and paste, we're going to, yeah, you just saw what I did, right? Right-click, cut, and then you can Control V, and everything's happy. And then we click on Generate Key. You know, RSA 2048, we're good. Generate key. Key generation complete. Click on Go Back. Scroll down here. See where it says Little Guy Example. Make sure you authorize that. Go back. Scroll down. Scroll down. See where it says Private Keys. Little Guy Example. View Download. Scroll down. Make sure you put your password in there. The one that I just told you to copy and paste. And then convert. And then there's your Putty key. Download the Putty key. There we go. Okay, we know where that is. That one in your downloads folder. So now we're going to go and open up Putty. Wherever the heck Putty went to. There we go. We're just going to open up Putty. And we're going to type in shared 01.littleguyhosting.com. Port 5900. And click on SSH. And I guess we can call this Save Sessions. We're going to call this Little Guy Example. We're just going to type in Save. There we go. Now we're going to go down to where it says SSH. Host keys. No, wait a minute. Authentication, I think. Authentication, yes, here we are. Okay, so we are in authentication. We're going to click on Browse. We're going to look for authentication key. There it is. It just popped up. So we're going to double click on Little Guy Example. We're going to click on the top here, Session. We're going to click on Save because we wanted to save it. And then we're going to just click on Open. Yes. Make sure you type in your username. Of course, you know your key. There we are. Okay, to paste your key in, you right-click into the box, and here we are. We're back in our thing, and we're doing LS, and we are inside of our hosting account. And we can do whatever we want in here in our hosting account from here. All right. Thank you for choosing Little Guy Hosting. Hey, don't forget to click on like and subscribe.